Now in this session we are going to design the screen which contains 4 buttons, button 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given some hints also. The button width is, can you tell me what is the width of this button? It is match parent. That content should be moved towards right side, and the second button should be moved to the center, and second button width is wrap content, and the third button which is multiplication button, where I need space between content and towards left hand side of the border with 20 pixels or 20 dp. Similarly on the right hand side 10 dp. Last button I need top margin or the space between this box and the previous box should be 10 dp, and the distance between this view and left hand border of this parent screen should be 40 dp. Now let me show how to design the screen. I will open same previous application. Let me create a new XML in the layout. Now can you tell me what type of linear layout should I take? If you observe, all these 4 elements or 4 buttons are facing towards y-axis. Observe here, all are facing towards y-axis. So the orientation is one below each other. So we should take vertical orientation, not horizontal orientation. So preferably I will take vertical linear layout. Remember, whenever you are designing any screen, you should give highest priority to gravity properties. That means based on your requirement, try to use either gravity or layout gravity property if they are not fitting for your requirement properly. So in that case, in place of gravity you can go for padding, and in place of layout gravity you can go for layout margin. Remember, padding is the replacement for gravity in terms of pixels. Layout margin is the replacement for layout gravity in terms of pixels. So wherever you need in terms of pixels, don't use gravity, it will not work. Now I will create new XML. To do that sample example, I will name this XML as design1. Click finish. Go to text perspective. By default linear layout is orientation horizontal. Make the orientation as vertical. Now let me take 4 buttons quickly. For time being I will take width as match parent for every button and height as wrap content. As you know already, ID property is not very important. Width property and height property are mandatory properties. Like this I have taken 4 buttons. I will change the content accordingly. Now let me apply the properties properly. For first button, width should be match parent. How will you move this add towards right side? I should use gravity property. Let me go to first button. When I am typing gravity, you can observe 2 gravities came. Select plain gravity for content movement, and now select right side. Automatically add will be moved to right side. Currently add is towards right side but on the top. If you want to move this add to the center of right side, you can club multiple properties by using pipe symbol. It will move to center. When you use pipe symbol, it will club both properties. You are aligning towards right side as well as within the right side. There are 3 properties, either top or bottom or center. So I want center. So I have selected center. For next button, width should be wrap content, but that button should be moved to the center. So I will use layout gravity property to the with value center. Observe. Now for next button, tell me what should be the width. It is not definitely match parent. So I don't have any other option. I should give wrap content, which looks like this. Now on the left hand side of the content 20 dp, which is with which I can give by using a padding property. Padding left side some 20 dp. Similarly on the right side padding right 10 dp. That is how it looks like. For last button, 4th button width is wrap content, and I should give margin left 40 dp. Similarly, margin top is 10 dp. So with this, our screen design is over. I hope you understood. Margin is used to specify the space between your current view and two other views. Margin top, space between this view and above view. Margin left, the space between this view and whoever is on the left hand side. It can be parent screen or any other view. I hope you understood how to use alignment properties.